This is August 20th, 2007. This is just a couple days after the recent flood that we have. This is what the area looks like when there is no water. I'm standing approximately where I was when I took the first water pictures. As you can see, there's a couple of things out there still from where the flood was. I'm going to show you where the ground where I'm standing at. You can see there's brush that's been torn over by the flood that was here. This is approximately where the water was at when I was standing last time. Here's another one of my shoes, and you can remember how it went right next to my shoe the last time, and this is what it looks like now. So there was quite a bit of water here. There's that bridge, so you could see where that water was. The water was almost going over that bridge. I'm going to take you to some places where I took you last time, so you can see how those areas are doing now.